Okay, I'm here at the short game area in Knollwood, about 30 yards or so, 25 yards away from the middle of the green. Today we're going to talk about distance control, controlling your swing and the variables that we want to change in order to get the ball to go shorter, medium, or long using the one club. I have a 56-degree wedge that I can use from here. I'm just going to show you the difference in a little bit of speed and a little bit of length of the swing and trying to complete the same finish to eliminate the variables that we want to change. So when I take my setup for pitching, okay, I'm going to get the ball in the middle of my stance. My feet are pretty close together. I'm going to lean my body to the left just a little bit, maybe 60% of my weight. Okay, no need to really forward press the hands all that much, but I'll have a little bit of it just because my body's leaning in that direction. Again, when we make a backswing, we're going to keep our weight to the left. And then what we're going to do is we're going to change the length of the backswing and a little bit of the speed of the downswing to affect distance control. So this one I'm going to land just in front of the green basically. This is the length of my swing to land the ball just in front of the green. Okay, now obviously you can't see the ball, but notice my finish. My body comes all the way around. I'm actually standing a little bit. My arms are somewhat outstretched, facing towards the target. My chest is in that direction as well. So what I call that is kind of a medium backswing or a quarter length backswing into almost a full finish with the body. Now if I want to change distance and I want to keep the same flight basically and let the ball go a little bit farther, I'm going to try to land this in the middle of the green. I'm going to change the length of my backswing, so I'm going to go back a little bit farther. And what that'll ultimately do will increase the speed on the way down. Okay, it's just as if I had my arms right here and I let them fall. You know, they're going to go at a certain speed, just gravity's taking over, I let them fall. Versus if I had my arms out here and I let them fall, well, they're going to come, once they hit my side of my leg, they're going to be moving faster just because of gravity's taking over. So this ball is going to go to the middle of the green. And again, take notice of my finish, full body rotation around, arms outstretched, body's up, facing the target. Had a little bit of a bigger backswing there, obviously ended up with a little bit more speed, the ball carried farther, went to the middle of the green. And then finally I'm going to go to the back, I'm going to fly this green basically just for distance purposes. So I'm getting my setup, I'm going to go back a little bit farther and a little bit faster with the downswing. Okay, so that one over the green again, similar finish. What I've changed, the length of my backswing and the speed. Kept the same finish, kept the same club, kept the same technique, just changed those two variables. Get out here and try these distance control drills. Sit from the same spot, land one in front of the green, the middle of the green, and the back of the green. Then go from back, middle, front, and just keep doing that as far as distance control drills and really try to maintain the same flight of the golf ball. If you do that, I know your distance control will get better.